Good morning.
Good morning. Hello.
Yeah, hello. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I am also well. So, what's your good name?
My name is Ramandeep Kaur.
Okay. Ramandeep, introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Ramandeep Kaur. I'm basically from Amritsar, but I got married in Taran district in Punjab. So I have been living here for last 3 years. I'm working as a teacher in a school for last 6 years.
Okay. Ramandeep, why you join IELTS?
Because my plan is to get higher education in a foreign country. My preference is to UK. So I want to go there in order to get higher education.
Okay. So presently, what is your qualification?
I have done graduation following and ETT, and recently I'm undergoing IELTS course.
Okay. So in which stream you did your graduation?
Yes.
In which stream you did your graduation?
I graduated in arts.
Okay.
My majors were elective English and sociology and history.
Okay, history as well as sociology and
Elective English.
okay, elective English. Shall we start the question?
Yes.
Okay, so see on your mobile screen and explain the answer of this question.
Okay. First, do you use public transport?
Yeah.
Yes, I use public transport in order to reach my destination. Sometimes I have to take a facility of public transport in order to get to my workplace, and sometimes I have to. Sometimes I use it to visit my doctors.
Okay. So another part of this question is that which is your favorite means of transport?
My favorite means of transport is the train, because I think it is not crowded in comparison to buses, and moreover.
Okay, no problem. Ramandeep, your conversation is nice, but what we should do, just do one thing, don't think in Hindi. What happen if we think in Hindi, then we want to speak in English. What's happened? Immediate break our fluency. Okay, so no problem, your conversation is very nice. Just I'm taking another question.
Okay.
Okay, what are your eating habits like?
Okay, eating habits means could you please explain it?
Yeah, what are your eating habits like? For example, what type of food would you like? One thing, and another thing. What is your morning breakfast, dinner, and lunch? So, what is your habit? At what time? Yeah, at what time you prefer taking your meals?
Okay. So I would like to answer this question. What are your eating habits like? I most of the time I prefer taking simple foods which are delicious as well. I always avoid taking food from outside because I think it is not healthy. So I think that food cooked at home is is really useful for our body. So I always, whatever I want to eat, I immediately prepare the dishes at home only. Moreover, I avoid taking oily foods because it causes pain in my chest. So I always avoid oily food and chili foods because I'm not used to that type of food.
Okay, so is there any food you don't like to eat?
Okay. I don't like non-veg food because I think it is very unhealthy. Moreover, I don't like fast food as well.
Okay.
Because it is very difficult to digest, and later it causes many problems in our body.
Okay, just another question. Do you have a lot of furniture at home? Do you have a lot of furniture at home?
No, I don't have a lot of furniture at home. Which things are needed, they are absolutely there in my home. For example, bed, sofa set, almiras, and cabinets for keeping books are available. But I don't like to keep much furniture in the home because I think it makes a home less space कम हो जाती है.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So has anyone gifted you furniture?
Yes, when I got married, my parents gifted me furniture. Although it was very expensive, but they were very pleased to gift those things because they were needed. Because I needed all the furniture. He gifted me sofa set, almirah, and bed as well.
Okay, and suppose if you want to buy a furniture, then what kind of furniture would you like to buy?
I need a shoe rack made of wooden.
Okay.
So I would like to buy it from market because I really need it.
Yeah, very nice and very well. Just see another question. Okay, so interesting question. Do you like movies?
No, not really. I don't like watching much movies. It is very rare that I get a time to watch movies because of busy schedule. Moreover, I don't like to watch movies because I think it is a wastage of time. Instead, we can watch motivational videos which help us to gain knowledge.
Okay. Suppose if you want to if you want to watch the movie, then what kind of movies do you like?
Yes. In my childhood, I would always watch animation movies. So still, I am interested in watching those movies. Moreover, I'm also interested in watching comedy movies because I think they are very beneficial for our health.
Okay. So do you think children should be allowed to watch movie?
To some extent, the children should be allowed to watch movies, but I think they should be their purpose should be motivational or inspirational. So they should be allowed to watch only those movies which give them lessons in life.
Okay. Just I am taking another question.
Yes.
Okay, so do you miss being a student?
Yes, I really miss those days because I think they were the best days of my life when we were required to focus on our study only.
Okay. And do you get on well with your co-workers?
Yes, I really enjoy doing work with my colleagues. Whenever they need my help, I'm always ready to assist them.
Mm-hmm. So right now you are a teacher in private school or government school?
Private school.
Okay, so which subject teach the student?
I get a science subject every year to teach from classes 3 to 5.
Okay.
But sometimes I get English and maths as well.
Okay. So do you remember your first day at work?
Yes, I can never forget that day when I joined in the school.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was a day when there was a parents teacher meeting.
Mm-hmm.
After the pre-mid result.
Sorry?
It was the day when there was a parents teacher meeting. The propaganda of the meeting was pre-mid-term result.
Okay. So primary school or pre-primary school? Your school is primary based school or pre-primary school?
Till class 2 class.
Okay. So Ramandeep, just I have to conclude the panel. Just your English is very nice. Okay. So yeah, I'm saying something in Hindi. आपका इतने कम समय में इतना अच्छा जो है आपका हो गया, ठीक है. आप वन थिंग क्या कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. और दूसरा चीज़ ये कि थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश. ओके, थिंक इन इंग्लिश. जब भी आप सोचिए, एक चीज़ क्या होता है ना कि जब हम इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू करते हैं तो इमीडिएट जो है सेंटेंसेस कम्स इन आवर माइंड इन हिंदी. तो जब हिंदी में वो सेंटेंस आता है और फिर उसको हम ट्रांसलेट करने लगते हैं तो इन बिटवीन फ्लुएंसी में ब्रेक आ जाता है. तो बस यही एक थोड़ा सा जो है बिट मतलब हल्का सा ये है, ये कोई ये नहीं है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत अच्छा है. जस्ट प्रैक्टिस कीजिए एंड होप आप जो है मतलब अच्छा करेंगे. ठीक है.
Okay.
ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे.